To install the older version of Office 365 on your Mac, you can open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link. It will take you to Microsoft website. Now on this page, you will find the update history for Office for Mac. Now if you scroll down, over here you can see most current package for Office for Mac, and right now this is the one. So this is the current one. So if you want to install the current one, you can install it from here. If you want to install the older version, here you can see different dates. These are the older version. So whichever version you want to install it, you can select that version and you can click on that. Here you can see install package. So click on that install package. For example, I'm selecting August 4 16.111.3. So whichever version you want to install it, you can select it and then click on Office Suite and let the download complete. Now once the download is complete, now click on this file. Now continue, agree, again continue, install, enter your Mac password and install software and let the installation complete. And here you can see installation is complete. So this is how you can roll back to the previous version if you want. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.